I am DK Das. Today I will talk about the pigment printing. Pigment printing has gained much importance today. The garment made by cotton, viscose, polyester and their blends are printed with the pigment colors. These colors are applied on almost all fibers. Pigments are colored or colorless substance insoluble in aqueous media and have no affinity with the fibers on which they are applied. Pigments are supplied as dispersion called pigment emulsion or pigment paste uh, containing the surface active agent which keep it in stable dispersion. Dispersion of pigment powder is usually made by milling the pigment in a colloid mill in presence of surface active agents. The particle size of the pigment in the paste lies between 0.1 mu to 1 mu, but those with size between 0.2 to 0.5 mu having the maximum tinctorial value. They are marketed under various trade names such as Acramine color by Bayer, Acron colors by Parek Dicam, Imperion colors by Hochst, etc. Classification of pigments. Pigments are classified as follow. Number 1. Azopigments, azoic pigments and phthalocyanin pigments. Second one is anthraquinone pigments, that dyes or derivatives of anthraquinone compounds. Third one is inorganic pigment, metallic oxide like oxide of chromium, titanium used as white pigment and carbon black as black pigment. Lacs, they are obtained by basic dyes like alizarin and fluorescent brightening agents. Advantage of pigment printing. Following are advantages of pigment printing. Number 1. These pigments can apply natural and synthetic fibers as well as their blends. Second, higher production of prints due to elimination of various after treatment. Third one is better visibility of prints which eliminates printing faults. Fourth, availability of complex range of colors. Fifth, high fastness to light. Fixation mechanism of pigment. Fixation of pigment particles are similar to fixation of an stamp on the envelope. In this process, finely ground pigments are applied by roller or screen printing along with binder and fixture in presence of acidic catalyst. After drying, it is subjected to high temperature for short periods, approximate 3 to 5 minutes. Binders and fixture form a transparent film which entrap the pigment particles in between the fabric and films and chemically combine with hydroxyl group of the cellulose or amino group of the protein fiber. The reaction between binder and fiber may be represented as follows. Binders, that is a CS2OR, reacts with the hydroxyl group of the cellulose in presence of acid. Binders form the bonds or fix onto the materials with the pigment colors, and it forms also methanols or acidic respective acid. Reaction is catalyzed under acidic condition and it is reversible reaction since methanol or water is product of formed reaction leading to fixation of the binder onto the fiber. This reaction is favored by removal of methanol or water by curing with fresh air at high temperature. Hence the binders ensure fiber bond formations on the fabric. Pigment printing. First of all, binder emulsion of 20 to 30% is prepared, then mixed with the pigment dispersions or pigment color. This paste is used for printing of the materials. Preparation of binder emulsion or stock emulsion thickener. Acrylamine SLN binders 200 to 300 parts, emulsifier W 5 parts, urea 50 parts, diammonium phosphate in 1:3 30 parts, water 50 parts, kerosene oil 665 parts. Mix under high speed stir to get the 1000 parts. Step 4 printing paste. Acrylamine pigment emulsion 50 parts, binder emulsion paste 940 parts, fixer CCl 10 parts, total 1000 parts. After printing and the fabric is dried at 90 to 100 degrees centigrade till free from kerosene, then cured in curing chamber at 140 to 150 degrees centigrade for 5 minutes. It is then rinsed, soaked with the Lisapol D 1 gram per liter and soda ash 2 gram per liter at boil for 20 to 30 minutes, rinsed again and finally dried. And hence we get the pigment printed fabric. Disadvantage. Following are disadvantages of the pigment printing. Number 1. Large quantity of kerosene is required for printing, causing air pollution. Second, price of kerosene is increasing day by day, which increase the cost of printing. Third one, use of kerosene is hazardous. The present trend therefore is towards the little use or no solvents in the printing paste and application of fully synthetic thickeners. These are ammonium salt of polyacids which form a three-dimensional network in aqueous medium, give viscous solution. Some of the trade names of these synthetic thickeners are Haligerine by BASF, Carbopol and Calipol by Calico Chemicals, Lutex AL-U by BASF and Neopralac by Frank Color. When these type of thickeners used in the printing at the time of curing liberate ammonia gas and free acid of the polymer, which has no thickening effect, release water easily, hence printed fabric dry quickly, leads to better fastness properties of the prints and lesser amount of binders required in the printing paste. Function of chemicals. Number 1. Binders. This is the most important agent in the printing paste. It forms film. It is a film forming compounds which form films on the surface of the fabric on drying and curing by self polymerization and fix the pigment color on the material. Catalyst. It is to accelerate the cross-linking of the binder and to facilitate reaction between the binders and fabric. This acid liberating agent which liberate acid during curing. Diammonium phosphate is most commonly used as a catalyst. Third one is cross-linking agent. These are used when binder is not self-reacting. Even in such cases, a small amount of cross-linking agent is added to the printing paste. Dimethyllurea, dimethylene, ethylene urea, hexamethylol, melamine, etc. are used as a cross-linking agent. Fixer CCl is used as cross-linking agent in acrylamide printing paste.